Welcome back, guys. Welcome back to our next project. As you could see behind me right here, someone sent me a picture, want me to do a bit of CNC on this piece of board for Christmas gift. So why is not? I'm not doing nothing today, so I'm just gonna go ahead and hook the little CNC machine up. For many of you who are new, the CNC machine I pay like under $200 for it on Amazon over 2 years now, and it's still working perfect. I think it worth it for like a small design like this, $30. So I think it's gonna take 45 minutes to complete. So if you're home and you're bored, get yourself of this CNC machine, could earn a little bit of income. Every dollar add up. That's how I grow up. I'm gonna go ahead and set this up real quick and then turn the camera back on. And remember, guys, if it's your first time here, please consider to subscribe, leave a like, leave a comment. I can't say it enough. If you like this thing, get yourself a little cheap CNC machine. Make yourself some side cash. Nothing wrong with that. So guys, I want to get started. So right here, just going over the thickness of the wood. You're up and down. You can go to center your board right here. So this is all that doing right now. Your bit. Now I'm gonna raise the bit a bit. Then good. Now just gonna press carve. And I say, guys, if you want to make some extra cash, this machine pay for itself at least 6 times already, if not more. So go ahead and get yourself one of these CNC machine. You could be cooking, washing your car, doing anything. Leave it right here, and that's all you do. And today I'll be making a few different ones, guys. I got this one to make and I got 2 more to make. And I said, for that simple design, it's $30. So right here, just see, just carving. He's doing the ears. So that is the first part he's doing right there, doing the ears first. I'm just gonna stop the video and start the video. Don't want to get you guys too bored. But as I see, we finished 1 year. So now, as you could see right here, it's making the eye now. And we get the eye. Guys, remember, if you're new, give it a thumbs up, leave a like, leave a comment, and subscribe if you're new. As you could see, the start of the next years right here. And again, that's what we're going for right here. Guys, I will make it this far into the video. What do you think is coming along? Again, for a cheap CNC machine, I think it's doing a very good job. nicely. Guys, it's coming to an end any second now, just like that. And that's a wonderful job. Guys, tell me what you think about this. I say to you, that's a nice little hobby you can have at home to do. Make yourself some extra cash. It's under $200 for this one. I say before, I have it over a couple of years now. And this do amazing job, trust me. I said you could be home cooking, cleaning, washing your car while this do the work. You don't have to do nothing to it. Take a couple minutes to set it up and that's it. I think this one come out. This light. I think that one come out good, guys. Drop it in the comment section. Let me know what you guys think. And I say this one go for $30. $30 for this one. And that's how we do it. Got a couple more design to make. I'll just showing you guys this one. If you guys interested, just drop it in the comment section what you want to see next. Gonna make a couple Christmas gifts too. And guys, I said I just have this in my garage. And that's it. Sitting down having a drink while I do the work. So again, remember to subscribe, like, leave a comment, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.